Just driving and my neighbor called me and tell me that they found his body over here. So is somebody that is responsible for the place. My cousin is abroad that own here. And he called those that he left to also work and control the place to come and see him because he might call him and get him.
He lived alone?
Yeah, he alone was at the house here.
I understand he's a young person. Did you know of any illness?
Yes, man. He met in an accident some years ago, bike accident, and fall in a coma for a few weeks in the hospital. When he woke up, after that he started to have these seizures. So he have seizures quite often.
So when's the last time that you know of somebody talking to him, if anybody in the family?
Well, I talked to him week before last Sunday evening, as I tell you, in the night. This would be 2 weeks. This would be the third Sunday since. Yeah.
When you heard of his passing, what first came to mind?
First came to mind, I took up the phone and called my sister and tell him to call his mother. And I get them in New York, there was a funeral. And then my sister tried to get her mommy in Los Angeles, but she's over from England there. And she said she will get her and get back to us. You know?
I was just saying, you don't know much at this time in relation to this time. My condolences.
Yes, man.
To you and your family.
Yeah, but I suspect that is what happened. Because him like in his bed, you know, it's a seizure. Because it was at my house he used to stay first. That's next door, you know. And this thing would happen to him quite often. And I always encourage him to leave the smoking because maybe smoking helps to cause the seizures, you know. But it's so sad, you know. So sad. So sad.
Again, my condolences.
Yeah, God bless you, sir.